Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to give you some tutorials on Excel. I'm going to give you 3 tutorials. Number 1, how to create a spreadsheet. Number 2, how to sum and average data. And number 3, how to insert a graph. Let's go to our computer. Click on the Start button. All Programs. Let's open up Excel by clicking on Microsoft Office and say Excel. Now I'm going to type in my spreadsheet here, which is going to be really simple. I'm just going to have employees and their number of sales. Let's type in a few employees. Now, this is a spreadsheet. Basically, my first row is a header, and I can even make it bold and red to show that it's a header. And each of these rows underneath that first row is data that corresponds to the headers. That is basically what a spreadsheet is. Now I'm going to show you how to sum up the data and how to create averages. So let's say total and average. First I'm going to sum my data using Microsoft Excel's functions by typing equals, sum, open parentheses, and then I'm going to highlight the data with my mouse, close parentheses. So I now have a total number of sales, and as I alter this data, the total number of sales reflect that. I'm also going to do average by typing equals, average, open parentheses. I'm going to select my data again, close parentheses, and there is now the average of my sales, which is 113.3 basically. Now let's create a chart. I'm going to highlight my data. I'm going to go to the Insert tab, and under Charts, I'm going to choose Column and 2D Column. I now have a really simple chart of the number of sales that each of my employees have sold. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just gave you a few tutorials on using Microsoft Excel.